Hello! Today we're expecting rain on a little market in Bern. However, many of us are here anyway. I've set my little stand. I'm happy. I got my cup of tea. I got piece of cake baked by a friend. Got my scriptures to read. I've got all my products out. Friends' product out. And I'm like in a small house. Look at this. There you can see the Swiss Palais Fédéral. Neighbors are arriving too. Everything is ready. There are my beautiful coconut oil soap, gorgeous olive oil soap, vegan gels, and different beauty cream made by moi. I like to change the decor from time to time. So it's gonna be raining, but it's not so bad. Rain I can handle quite well. Voila, there's this little old me. So rain is fine. What I don't like is the wind. I hate the wind, especially when you're in a 2x2 plastic stand. But we're gonna make the most of it and see what happens.